Well, I'm Steve Warrington from Technical Services at the University of Auckland. We build a whole range of teaching and research equipment for the university staff and students, and a lot of our work is prototype and one-off type developments.
What type of materials are you machining here, Steve?
We pretty much make our jobs out of pretty much any type of material you can think of, from wood right through to aluminium, stainless steel, composites, titanium, all different types of material.
How many staff on the factory floor?
We've got 14 staff on the factory floor, and so yeah, we've got quite a few jobs on the go at any one time, and it's a matter of actually knowing who's working on what job and at what stage they are through that job.
How many PCs on the factory floor for the guys to use?
We've got 3 PCs out on the floor for the guys to actually log in and start their jobs and work on that. So it works quite well with 3, with that many staff. So
yep, and that's reporting back to your PC that we can see there on the screen. You see all the jobs live and work in progress and work remaining and hours remaining, should I say?
Yeah, and that's one of the benefits, is actually having that direct reporting and live updates. It's actually been quite useful for managing the progress of each job.
Yep, and even though you're effectively a department within the university here and you're not a business and you don't have to profit from every job per se, it's important that you do have a budget to drive the men, and you knowing the budgeted time that men are productive, I do recall as being your primary need of the system.
Yeah, we used to run a manual timesheet system, and manual timesheets are only as good as the guys entering the data, and then it's difficult to remember back to what you did last week in some cases. So it's actually been really useful. I do an estimate on the job. All of our jobs actually have to have an estimate and materials cost that goes off and is approved by the department manager, comes back to us, and then we load it into Empower and then allocate the job to the different guys on the shop floor. So actually being able to tell where we're at on any job is very useful to our clients. So
would it be fair to say that you're a far better production manager with live and accurate information to make better decisions using Empower?
It's a lot easier from my point of view. I can make better decisions because I've got a lot more information at my fingertips, and the reporting side of it is very useful as well. We can look at our forward work and sort of try and make our plans around that so that we can actually get the best out of our machines and our staff.
Yep, so your 2 main benefits you've advised are: 1, productivity of the entire factory per man, per job, any way you want to analyse it, and also your work in progress, know where jobs are at to plan your forward production better. Yeah,
it is essential to know where your bottlenecks are, and to try and plan around easing that up and sort of making the work flow through the shop better. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people that are using our facility are a lot happier with the outputs from it now. So it's just a matter of trying to organise the way in which the work flows through the shop, and being the nature of our work is a lot of one-off and prototyping work. It's quite a difficult job to actually balance all those needs through the different machines and processes. So, but Empower has made it a lot easier for us.
Could we take the system off you?
It'd be difficult now. You get pretty used to it, so there are a lot of benefits for me anyway. So.
All right, Steve, do you mind if someone's interested, engineering shop or the like, is interested in giving you a bell to discuss any questions? Or?
Yeah, no, I'll be happy to do that any time. So.
Yep, what's your phone number there, Steve?
Direct dial on the university is 923 8714.
And that's Auckland, so New Zealand is 64 for New Zealand and 9 for Auckland.
Correct.
Then that phone number.
Yep.
Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it.